Today I am going to explain chapter 12 and that name is Climate of India. Firstly, you should know what is the meaning of climate. Climate means the normal weather conditions of a particular region. Region means area. In this chapter you will see there are four main seasons in a year. Spring season, summer season, autumn season and winter season. And after that you will see about the climate in India. In India, there are three main seasons: winter season, summer season, and monsoon season. And after that, we will learn about all the seasons in India. Now, let's start the chapter. Climate is the average weather condition of a place for many years. Average means the normal standard, amount, or quality. Weather means the climate at a certain place and time, how much cold or how much hot, how much wind is there, rain, etc. So that is called weather. Condition means the state of somebody or something is called condition. So when a place weather condition for many years, it is called climate. For example, a desert has dry climate. Desert means a large area of land usually covered with sand that is hot and has very little water and very few plants. So that is called desert. It is because a desert area receives very little or no rainfall for a very long period of time. Receives means gets, and very little means in a very low amount, that is called very little. And rainfall means the total amount of rain that falls in a particular place during a month, year, etc. It is called rainfall. And period means a length of time. So in desert area there is very little rainfall or no rainfall for a long time. So that's why desert has dry climate. Weather is the state of atmosphere for a short period of time. Weather means the climate at a certain place and time, means how much wind, rain, etc. There is how much hot or how much cold. It is called weather. And atmosphere means a blanket of air surrounds us. It is called atmosphere. So when the state of or condition of the atmosphere for a short period of time, it is called weather. Means climate for many years, for a long period, and weather for a short period of time. A year is divided into seasons. So, do you know what is season? Season means one of the period of different weather into which the year is divided. That is called season. Means a year is divided into the seasons like spring season, summer season, autumn season and winter season. So when weather is changed, so according to that season is also changed. Seasons are caused by the earth being closer or farther away the sun. When earth is closer to the sun or further to the sun. Closer means, within a short distance is called closer and within a long distance is called further. So seasons are changed when the earth is being closer or further to the sun because of the movement. There are four main seasons in a year. I have already told you spring season, summer season, autumn season and winter season. But I will tell you about the spring season. What is spring season? The season of the year between winter and summer, when the weather gets warmer. Warmer means hot. And plants begin to grow. That is called spring season, when plants begins to grow, and this season is between the winter season and summer season. And summer, summer is the warmest season of the year, falling between spring season and autumn season. And winter season, winter is one of the four seasons and the coldest time of the year. Winter time is very cold, so the days are shorter and the nights are longer in winter. Winter comes after the autumn and before spring, means in the middle of autumn and spring season. It is called winter season. And autumn means the season of the year that comes between the summer and winter. In autumn season, all the trees leaves their leaves are falls, and after in spring season there is new leaves are grown on the trees. Climate in India. Climate has a great impact on our daily lives. So firstly I will tell you what is the meaning of impact. Impact means an effect or impression. It is called impact. So climate affect our lives, daily lives. Our food habits, clothing and lifestyle depends largely on the climate. With the changing of the climate, our food habits, clothing and lifestyles also changed. Means all these things, our food habits, clothing and lifestyle is fully depend on the climate. Lifestyle means the way that you live. It is called lifestyle. We can divide the Indian climate into three major seasons. Major means main seasons. So we can change the Indian climate into three main seasons: winter season, summer season and monsoon season. Now let's see about the winter season. In India, winter season generally starts from December and continues till February. Generally means commonly, and continues means to do something without stopping. It is called continues. So in India, generally or commonly, winter season starts from the month of December and it is continues to December to February. After February there is season changed. During winters the days are shorter and the nights are longer. Heavy snowfall occurs in many parts of mountainous regions. So mountainous regions means those area there is mountains. It is called mountainous regions. And occurs means to happen. So in such type of area there is mountains, there is a heavy snowfall. In the plains people experience fog and frost. Plains, that is the flat land is called the plains. So in that type of area there is fog and frost is there. Fog means thick white cloud that forms close to the land or sea, and fog makes it difficult for us to see. In fogs we cannot see properly. And frost means the weather condition when the temperature falls below 0 degree Celsius. You can say in easy language that is too cold weather, that is called frost. And especially at the night. So in plains, fog and frost, both things are there. During winter, we wear woolen clothes like jackets, sweaters, scarves, shawls, caps, and gloves to keep ourselves warm. During means within the period of the time mentioned, means during winter. In the winter time, we wear woolen clothes. Why? To protect from the winter. To keep us warm, we wear woolen clothes. And woolen clothes like jackets, sweaters. Sweaters that is made from the wools. Scarves. Scarves means a long, often knitted. Knitted means that is made by the wool. Garment worn in the neck. We use the scarves worn around the neck. It is called scarves. And gloves. Gloves means a cloth that covers your hands and has 5 separate parts for the fingers. It is called gloves. So these all the clothes we wear in winter. We like to drink hot soup, tea and coffee and enjoy eating gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun, pakoras and parathas. Because these all things are hot. Always we like to eat hot. So we have to protect to the winters. So we like these hot things, hot dishes like soup, tea, coffee, gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun, pakoras and parathas. And Dras in Western Desert is the coldest place in India. During winter, the temperature at this place dips to -40°C. So, one place in Western Ladakh that is called Dras is the coldest place in India. Coldest means there is a maximum cold. Means having a low temperature, not hot, not warm. That is temperature dips below, means there is -40°C. So because of that, Dras in Western Ladakh is the coldest place in India. Summer. In India, summer season generally starts from March and continues till May. Continues means to do something without stopping. It is called continues. So summer season in India that is starts from the month of March and end at the month of May. In the northern plains, hot and dry winds called Lu blow during the daytime. So in northern plains, I will tell you about the northern plains. Some states are like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam. These all are states included in the northern plains. So in these states, hot and dry winds, Lu blows in the daytime. The weather in the mountains remains cold while the southern part of our country experiences warm and humid conditions. Humid means containing a lot of water in the weather. It is called humidity. So in summer season, in the mountains areas remains cold, but in the southern part of our country, the weather is or season is very warm. Warm is hot season, and humid conditions means that we don't like humidity and warm in seasons. We like winter season, but we don't like normally warm season or summer season. During summer, the days are longer than the nights. In the summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter. But in the winter season, nights are longer and days are shorter. Means opposite. People wear cool cotton clothes like t-shirt, shorts, cotton saris, kurtas, and skirts. You know, in summer season, we always like to wear very thin clothes, cotton clothes like t-shirt, shorts, cotton saris, and kurtas and skirts. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes, and in winter, we wear the woolen clothes. To beat the heat of summer, people eat fruits like watermelons, cherries, grapes, lychees, and mangoes. These all fruits are very famous in summer season that people like to eat, like watermelons, cherries, grapes, lychees, and mangoes. I hope you all know all the meanings. Ice creams and cold drinks and fruit juices are also popular. Popular means famous. People like to eat ice cream, cold drinks, and fruit juices in summer season. Some of the hottest places in India during summer are Churu and Bikaner in Rajasthan. This is the hottest. Hottest means there is very hot. So Churu and Bikaner, both places in the Rajasthan, it is the hottest place in India. Monsoon. In India, monsoon season generally starts from June and continues till August. Monsoon season starts from the month of June and that is end in the month of August. Different parts of country experience rainfall during the monsoon months. Means in different parts different rainfall in the monsoon month. Not all places that receives the same rainfall. Means the amount of rain is called rainfall. So all places not there the same rainfall. There is a different. Monsoon means the season when it rains a lot in the southern Asia. The rain that falls during this period is called monsoon. In some places, the post-monsoon rainfall occurs till November. Means a few places are there in India. There is rainfalls in the November month also. The first state to receive monsoon rainfall in Kerala. But Kerala is the first state that received the monsoon rainfall. Kerala is the first state that received the monsoon rainfall. The eastern part of India experience heavy rainfall. But in the eastern part of India, there is a lot of rainfall in the monsoon season. And you know monsoon season from the month of June to August. Mawsynram in Meghalaya gets the maximum rainfall in the world. Means in whole world in Meghalaya there is a place Mawsynram. What is the place? In Meghalaya, a place that name is Mawsynram gets the maximum rainfall, receives the maximum. Maximum means the greatest amount. Maximum rainfall in the world. In simple language we can say in Mawsynram there is the maximum rainfall in the whole world. We use raincoats and umbrellas while going out during monsoon. When we go outside in the monsoon season, we use raincoats and umbrellas to protect from the rain. Agriculture in India is largely dependent on monsoon rains as they help in irrigation. Dependent means needing somebody or something to support you. Irrigation means the process of supplying water to the land so that crops and plants will grow well. It is called irrigation. So in India, farmers fully depend on the rainfalls for the agriculture because monsoon rains that help in irrigation means to give the water to the crops and plants to grow well. Sometimes excessive rain leads to floods, while the lack of rainfall causes drought. Excessive means too much when and leads to show the way. Flood. Do you know what is the meaning of flood? Flood means a large amount of water that has spread from a river, the sea, etc. that covers an area which should be dry. Means on the dry place there is a lots of water comes from the rivers and seas. It is called floods. So when too much rainfall is there, then that is the situation of the floods. And lack means less, and causes means something happened. So if there is the less rainfall, so because of that there is the situation of the drought means a long time without rain. When there is no rain or very less rain, so that's why there is the drought situation in our country arise. People enjoy eating pakoras and samosas during this season. In the monsoon season, people like to eat pakoras and samosas because that is the hot and they like to eat these all the things in monsoon season.